can tell me the difference between fact and opinion? Storm?
Opinion is something that it's your opinion. What you think in a fact is something that's true.
Okay, that's exactly right. So, let's see. Is cookies are so much better than candy? Is that an opinion or a fact?
Opinion.
Good. How about there are 50 states in the United States?
That's a fact.
Okay. All right, so you get the idea. So the formal definition is a view or judgment formed about something not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. It's just how you feel or think or something like that. So we're going to write an opinion piece, but it's going to go a step further, and it's going to be a propaganda piece. Can anybody tell me what propaganda means? Yes, Kaylee?
I think propaganda means, doesn't it mean when you're persuading someone and you're like for advertisement or the front of a cookie box or something that says like it's the best or like to persuade someone.
Yep, that's pretty much it. This is the formal definition. Ideas are statements that are sometimes false or exaggerated and that are spread to influence people. So it can be used in advertising, it can be used in politics. We just got through with this big election and there was plenty of propaganda from both sides. So for this writing assignment, you guys are going to get a particular cause that you're trying to persuade either a teacher, a student, or the principal about. And I'll show you them at the end. You guys will pick them out of a hat. And you'll work in small groups. You have to write a 5-paragraph essay persuading your audience for your cause. And then you're also going to make a poster backing up your opinion. So I'm going to start by showing you guys some posters and some examples of propaganda that were used throughout history. Okay, so this first one is a very extreme example of propaganda. This was used during World War II, and they've used the words "destroy this mad brute" and "enlist U.S. Army." So they're preying on your emotions by showing you a beast as the enemy instead of an actual soldier in a uniform. And why do you think they do that, Storm?
To persuade them to make it think that there's something really bad, but it's really not that bad and really bad.
Exactly. You have to over-exaggerate to get at your emotions to make you do something. Now this next one, I think you've all probably seen before, at least the one on the right. They used a few tactics here. They used the finger pointing at you, his stare into your eyes, the red, white, and blue clothes to show his patriotism, and he's making you feel responsible, that you need to be down there and enlisting in the U.S. Army to help the United States. Okay, this next one I'm sure you're all familiar with. This was used during the presidential election with Barack Obama, and it's very clean and simple but very powerful. They used the word hope and juxtaposed it with his face, and so whenever you see his image, you'll think of the word hope. And hope is such a strong word. It's everybody wants hope for their future, for their children's future, for the planet. So this was a very powerful piece of propaganda that worked. This one's very strange. This is from a time in history when people were afraid of communists, and they believed that the intellectuals on the left were ruining the country and were not patriotic, and so they were saying, thinking leads to reasoning, reasoning leads to right and wrong, wrong leads to revolt, revolt leads to bad citizens. So they're saying if you think you're a bad citizen, so it's a very, very strange and sinister you think of another athlete and what they are like sponsorship? And, yes.
Von Moore, he does a lot of things for the deodorant company. It's like, what's that one? Dove? No, not Dove. It's deodorant.
Gosh,
Old Spice. Old Spice, and he uses it like, oh no, for Gatorade. No, for Old Spice. He says like when you get all sweaty, you need to be yourself and be like clean, and then he's like, use Old Spice.
Do you think it works? Do you think it works? I mean, not
Yeah.
Old Spice, but do you think it works to use a spokesperson?
Yeah.
What do you think, Swan?
Again, for Old Spice, Shaquille O'Neal,
Mm-hmm.
and for Under Armour, Stephen Curry.
Oh yeah, I bet their stock has gone way up since he's been their spokesperson. Yes, Lola?
Misty Copeland also does Under Armour.
She does, that's right. Yeah. So all you girl ballerinas wanna go buy Under Armour. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys some handouts to help you with your writing of your persuasive speech. Do you guys wanna see what your topics are gonna be?
Yeah.
So here's the topics. So the first one, every week should be a 4-day school week. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
That'd be good?
Yeah. It's just like one day.
Oh, wouldn't you rather have a 3-day weekend every week? Well, whether you
yeah.
do or you don't, if you draw this one, you have to try and persuade your teachers why you should have a 4-day school. Yeah, so then every weekend you'd have a 3-day weekend. Yes?
Can I have some?
We're almost finished. You can go get a drink. And then the next one is lunch should be 2 hours. And your audience is the principal. Do you think that would be a good one?
Yeah. I like the everything should be
Okay, there should be no homework. You have to persuade your teachers why that could be a good thing.
That's a good thing.
And this one is going to be the trickiest. There should be more homework, and you have to try and persuade your fellow students why you think there should be more homework. Okay, and then this one, ice cream every day after school. You have to convince Mr. Rauscher why that would be a good thing. Like, what would it motivate you to do? How would the school benefit by you just having ice cream every day after school? So, in addition to writing the paper, you're going to have to come up with a poster that's going to back this up and help with your persuasive techniques. I'm going to give you this handout. This handout will help you in writing an opinion piece. It's got phrases that are often used when writing opinion pieces. When you write academically, like if you write about facts or science, you never say "I think." But since this is